Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve my go-to hairstyle, which is this low bun right here. This is a hairstyle I rock so much. I feel like it's kind of like one of my signature hairstyles, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to create a video on this. This hairstyle is so easy to do, it doesn't take up a lot of time, and it looks so polished, which is why I really like it. All you need is hair ties, a couple bobby pins, hairspray, a pomade, and that's pretty much it. There's a couple extra products in here that I use that are helpful, but you don't always have to use them. Do you know what I mean? So most of you guys who watch my videos know that I love rocking extensions. I love having like long flowy hair, but in reality my hair is to here. So it's like in that growing out weird phase. So if I don't wear extensions, I feel like it doesn't look good. I feel like it just looks like I have a little mullet going on. So in order for me to have a polished look, I have the option to put my extensions in and spend an hour or so doing my hair, or I can do this. It takes 5 minutes and it looks a lot better than the extension. So I just want to show you guys how to achieve it. Also, something to know is that any hair length can rock this. Even if it's really long, I feel like you could still rock it, you know? It's all about that little twist in the end that I'll show you. But it's so easy, and I hope you guys are excited to learn how to do it. So if you guys want to learn how to achieve this look and look like a sexy little senora, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is brush out your hair. This is important. So I'm gonna go in with my wet brush, and you can honestly do this with your hair wet or dry or damp. Mine's a little damp, like the middle's still wet, but everything else is drying up. So just brush everything together. So next I'm gonna go in with some mousse. This is totally optional, but I like to do it, especially because my hair is in that drying stage. It's like not fully dry, but it's still kind of wet. This is from the Ouai, and it's their soft mousse. So I just like adding a little bit of this just to give my hair some texture. And that's pretty much all I put on. I'm just gonna go ahead and run this through my hair. And if you are going to be doing mousse, it is important that you really work this into the hair from the roots all the way to the end. It's really going to make the style last all day and stay nice and put. Gives a little bit of texture as well, so it's not too soft, and I don't know, I just feel like it makes a big difference. All right, so next I'm going to go in with this comb, and I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. If you want to go for a side part, you totally can for this look. And then just brush it all together again. By the way, this is like the best comb you can get at a Swap Me, Cosmoprof, pretty much anywhere. Because it's not plastic, it will never dull out. You can literally get in through everything. I'm sure a lot of hairstylists use these. Right about right here, I'm gonna start kind of brushing that back. And then just kind of start combing everything back. These two next products are very important, in that it's going to be your pomade and your hairspray. You need to have a good pomade and a good hairspray. The one I love to use is from American Crudes. It's actually for men. This is their cream pomade. I like this because it gives my hair a low shine. Last thing you want is for your bun to look dull AF. Think about your face with no highlight. You know, you need that little bit of highlight in there. That's gonna do that for you. It also has like a nice hold in there too, so it's really gonna stay put. And for me, I get a little wavy right here. You see, it's already kind of forming. And this part right here always just kind of tends to get messed up throughout the day. Like, I don't want that. So because I really want to make sure it stays together and it's nice and sleek looking all day, I like putting a pomade in there. I like it because it's not a white pomade. It is clear, so it's gonna really just blend perfectly into the hair. There's been many times where I've used cream like white pomades and it looks like I have dandruff by like 5 o'clock. So these are like the best ones. Always make sure that you look at the pomades before you buy them. I always open them up and see. If there's a tester, test it out so you can make sure you like how it feels as well. So I like to dip my nail in there. Hello. Just, it's like a pretty good amount. I run this through my fingers and see, it's a little sticky, but it's not like gummy. So this is gonna be perfect for areas like this. And then I'm gonna get that comb and brush through it to make sure it doesn't look like it's saliva just sitting on my hair, and I'm gonna pull behind the ear. And then next I'm gonna go in with this bristle brush. This is very important. So you can kind of see like the comb marks in there. This is gonna blend everything together. I do this right at the very end just to brush everything together. And that's why it's very important that you comb through it first, because this will not get through any kind of tangles. This is just going to smooth everything out. It's like the smoothing effect. All right, so while I'm right here and I have all the hair nice and put together, I'm gonna go in with my hairspray. I love the Kerastase Lacquer Noir. This is their extra stronghold hairspray. This stuff is like literally the best for these kind of buns. And then with that smoothing brush again, I'm just gonna smooth everything. Make sure it's really in there. So now I'm gonna go in with my jumbo hair tie to tie everything together. I mentioned these to you guys before in my favorite drugstore video. These are the best hair ties because you can wrap them around so many times. So I'm gonna wrap it actually twice around my hands first. I'm now gonna go in and spray again. I'm gonna grab like 2 bobby pins and just pin right here. I'm gonna do a very light twist and then twist it all together. Because there was a little bit of mousse in there, it already has a little bit of a hole, so you don't have to spray it down too much. And then I'm now gonna go with another hair tie and just go right around it. And I'm gonna grab that hairspray one more time. Baby hairs. Anybody have those little neck baby hairs? If you do, just do that to them. And then one more time, I'm gonna do just a little more hairspray just to really make sure it's nice and locked in. You don't need to go in with any other kind of spray or shine spray. The hairspray has a really nice shine to it, and so does the pomade. So again, make sure when you are purchasing hair products that you see if there is like a little bit of a shine or if it's more of a matte finish. You want this to look kind of healthy, so you do want that little bit of shine to it. All right, so that's pretty much it on this video. Honestly, that was so easy. It took literally less than 5 minutes to do. It's super quick and something that I just really wanted to share with you guys, especially for people who are on the go and just need a quick hairstyle that will make them look 100 quick. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also be sure to leave a comment down below. And if you guys end up rocking this look, be sure to tag me on Instagram, tweet me. I want to see photos. I want to see how you guys rock it. And also one other thing, I do a tutorial on this whole look right here. This will be up on my channel. I'm not sure if it'll be up before this video or after, but it will be up. So if it is up, I'll link it down below. If not, then check back in a few days and the video will be up. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.